How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. How about you?
I'm also pretty well. What's your full name?
Fluency. You
How may I help you?
can call me Nana.
Can I see your ID card, please? Actually, card. Well, myself Nazir Ahmed. I'm your speaking examiner. In your speaking part 1, I will ask you some questions about you and yourself. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you work or you are a student?
I'm a student, sir.
Now, let's talk about drinking water. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Absolutely. I think it's good for our health and for our mental health as well.
How often you drink water?
I drink water as long as I'm awake. You can say that. I drink almost like 3 to 4 liters per day.
Do you drink bottled water or water from machines?
I take both of them. It depends on where I am right now. If I'm outside, I prefer the bottled water, and if I'm inside the house, I prefer the machine.
Now let's talk about maps. Do you often use maps?
Maps, as in the paper. Whenever I go somewhere like I don't know the place, I use the maps from my phone, which is the modern era, and everyone knows. And the paper doesn't really, we don't really need paper anymore, because as long as we're in this using technologies, we're surrounded by it, so we can use it, or we can see anything from our phones, cell phones these days.
Who taught you how to use a map?
I'm self-taught actually. I haven't taught from anyone. Self-taught.
Do you prefer electronic map or paper map?
Electronic maps, of course, because paper maps, you don't really need them, because you're, as I've said before, because you're surrounded by technologies in this era, so you can use the things from your phone, from your laptops, from anything, any device, electronic devices.
Do you think using map is useful for anyone?
Using maps are useful for everyone, I guess, because there are some places we don't know, we've never been before. So at some point of your life, you may visit these type of places, and you don't know where to go and where to stop and where to start from. So you can use the maps for the navigation and everything.
Now let's talk about physical exercise. What kind of exercise do you do?
I like swimming and running on treadmill.
Do you think children should play sports regularly?
Yeah, of course, because it's good for their physical health as well as their mental health, and it helps them communicate with other children and helps them socialize more.
What was the favorite sport when you were young?
My favorite sport when I was young was cricket. I used to play a lot.
Now let's talk about dream job. What was the dream job for you when you were young?
My dream job was always being a pilot.
Really interesting. Have you changed your mind on your dream job?
I haven't really changed it, but since I'm studying in the field of social science, so I'm more interested in the job sectors regarding the social science. So yeah, it's kind of changed in the past couple years.
What do you plan to do in the future?
I plan to pursue my career in abroad, and for higher studies I want to go there. And the same thing I'm studying right now. So I'd like to study more.
Thank you. This is the end of your speaking part 1. Now in your